All right, so here we go. Round number 2. Coat number 2 going on. My Ford Ranger, 1998, 3.0 liter. V6, manual transmission, 4-wheel drive. 164,000 miles and counting, 24 years young. All right, here we go. Number 2. Man. This is like really cool. I'm so happy to get to this point here. So I'm trying to see if I can get a little bit of a well, like I said, it's going to be interesting how this comes out. I see a lot of little weird stripings going on and everything. So here we go. Let me keep it up here. Top's looking pretty good. You can't see it, but I'll show it after. Man, this is really cool though. Alright, where am I at? I got about almost 2 minutes on this thing, on the video. Yep, they say it's a light misting. And I can see where it comes out nice and light. It's like a fine light mist. I know I'm probably putting on too much, but man. Alright, well, alright, that's it with number 2. Alright, how much is that? Video length, about 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Alrighty, I'll be back for number 3.